Step 1. Access the official visa website. First, open your browser and go to the official Tanzania immigration website, visa.immigration.go.tz. This is the only official platform for visa applications. Avoid third-party websites to ensure your application is secure and processed correctly. Once you're on the website, click on New Application to start your visa application. Step 2. Fill in basic information. Now, you'll need to fill in some basic information. This includes your email address, passport number, and passport issue country. Make sure all the information matches your passport exactly. Next, choose a security question and provide an answer. This will help you retrieve your application if needed. Then, complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Once you've filled in all the details, click Continue. You'll now receive an application ID. Save this ID in a safe place, as you'll need it to track your application later. Step 3. Fill in personal information. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information. This includes your full name, gender, marital status, and date of birth. Make sure all the details match your passport exactly. Then, select your nationality at birth and current nationality. Finally, choose your resident status, whether you're a citizen, permanent resident, or temporary resident of your current country. Step 4. Fill in contact and employment information. Now, let's fill in your contact and employment information. Start by entering your telephone number and email address. This will be used to communicate with you about your application. Next, provide your present physical address, including your city and country of residence. If your permanent address is the same, you can repeat the information here. Finally, indicate your employment status. If you're employed, provide your employer's name and occupation. If you're a student, simply write "student" in the occupation field. Step 5. Fill in passport information. Now, let's move on to your passport information. Select your passport type. Most applicants will choose ordinary. Then, enter your passport number, country of issue, and place of issue. Next, enter your passport's issuance date and expiry date. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from your intended date of arrival in Tanzania. Step 6. Fill in travel information. Now, let's fill in your travel information. Start by selecting the country from which you're applying. Then, choose the nearest Tanzanian embassy to handle your application. Next, select the type of visa you're applying for. For tourism, choose Ordinary Visa, Single Entry. If you're a USA national, you must apply for a multiple entry visa. Then indicate the purpose of your visit. For tourism, select Leisure and Holiday. Finally, provide your travel plans, including your arrival date, stay duration, and port of entry. If you're staying at a hotel, provide the hotel's contact information. If you're using a tour operator, provide their details instead. Step 7. Upload required documents. Now, it's time to upload your required documents. First, upload a passport-sized photo in JPEG or PNG format. The photo should be clear and less than 300 kilobytes in size. Next, upload your passport biodata page. This should also be in JPEG or PNG format and less than 300 kilobytes. Finally, upload your return ticket in PDF format. The file should be less than 1 megabyte in size. Step 8. Review and declare. Before submitting your application, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate and matches your passport. Once you're satisfied, read the declaration carefully and confirm that all the information is correct. Then, click Save and Continue to proceed to payment. Step 9. Make payment. Now, it's time to make your payment. You can pay using a credit or debit card or through a bank transfer. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete your payment. Once your payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation. Your application will now be submitted for processing. Step 10. Track your application. After submitting your application, you can track its status online. Simply go back to the visa application website, click on Check Visa Status, and enter your application ID and email address. You'll also receive updates on your application via email. Once your visa is approved, print out the approval letter and bring it with you when you travel to Tanzania.